restless and bursting with ideas. That's the defining face of India's youth. Young people who are ready to take on the world. 41% of India's population is below the age of 20 years. Half of India's population is in the age group of 20 to 59 years. Only 9% of India's population is above the age of 60 years. Employment and employability was one of the biggest challenges facing this youth population. And to bridge this gap, an ambitious leap of faith was taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government on 15th July 2015.
ये स्किल डेवलपमेंट ये सिर्फ पेट भरने के लिए, जेब भरने का कार्यक्रम नहीं है। ये हमारे गरीब परिवारों में एक नया आत्मविश्वास भरना और देश में एक नई ऊर्जा लाने का प्रयास है। स्किल, कौशल्य, सामर्थ्य ये सिर्फ जेब में रुपये लाता ऐसा नहीं है, वो जीवन में आत्मविश्वास भर देता है, जीवन में एक नई ताकत भर देता है। उसे भरोसा होता है कि दुनिया में कहीं पर भी जाऊंगा, मेरे पास ये ताकत है, मैं अपना पेट भर लूंगा, मैं कभी भीख नहीं मांगूंगा।
The mission on skill development could not have been better timed. At a time when only 2.3% of the workforce in India has received formal training as compared to 68% in the United Kingdom, 75% in Germany and 80%, skilling the youth of India acquires paramount importance. And the nascent Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, under the able leadership of Minister Rajiv Pratap Rudy, is giving wind to the sails of this extraordinary mission.
Ever since this ministry was created, the Ministry for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, which is about 2.5 years old in the history of India, we have successfully found the language for skills. What is skills? Skills for whom? How to do skilling? What should be the curriculum, the course? What should be the benchmark? How it is outcome based? How should the training take place? What is the qualification of trainers? Syllabus, teaching faculty, infrastructure for providing skills, connecting them with industry, holding the examinations and assessing them, and then making them employable in industry. So all this has been a big matrix which needed to be put in place. I'm happy that today when we talk about skills, under the National Skills Qualification Framework, we have a whole ecosystem for skills.
How do we synergize the government's own desire to skill youth of India and the need of the private sector? How do we combine the two and then ensure that youths are skilled and they enter the market and lead to better productivity and also economic gain for the country?
Set with the ambitious aim of making India the skill capital of the world, the Ministry for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has since its inception in the year 2015 aimed for bullseye by launching several flagship and unique schemes, primary amongst which is the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, under which Kendras like these are benefiting millions of aspirational young Indian youth.
The challenge was to build up a system, build up quality in it, have a process of assessment, and all this we have benchmarked now. One of the foremost scheme which was launched in this area where dropouts, people who actually could not do good in academics or those who were unemployed or underemployed, was the scheme launched by the Prime Minister called the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana.
These bright, excited, eager faces at this Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra tell the story of India's youngsters. Most of them come from humble backgrounds with families who are unable to support their ambitious dreams with their limited means. Left to themselves, they would have been disillusioned, unemployed. and a lost opportunity for India to capitalize on their talent.
मेरा फैमिली मतलब ऐसी है कि थोड़ा सा नीडेड है कि जॉब अच्छी नहीं है हस्बैंड की, तो बच्चों को एजुकेशन वगैरह अच्छी देनी है, तो इसलिए मुझे लगा कि मैं कुछ सीख करके कुछ कर सकती हूँ आगे।
मेरी फैमिली बहुत ही लोअर मिडिल क्लास है और मैंने 12th अपनी गवर्नमेंट बॉयज़ सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल से क्लियर करी है।
मैं 6 मेंबर्स की फैमिली में रहती हूँ, जहाँ मेरे पापा ओनली अर्निंग मेंबर है और मैं मिडिल क्लास फैमिली को बिलोंग करती हूँ।
मेरे जो फादर है वो है नहीं, तो हम शुरू से अपने ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडमदर के साथ रहते हैं। भी हमारे अंदर वो ही कि हाँ हम भी जॉब करें, फिर उनके लिए कुछ करें।
But with an initiative like the Skill India Mission and Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, these youth find a voice, confidence and life skills to be empowered decision makers.
I got to know this about the scheme and the institute from a friend of mine. यहाँ पर मैंने hospitality जो course था उसको choose किया. Everybody have education, but if you don't have skills, you can't work in the industry. It is important, or you can say it is must to have skills.
बहुत ही अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि मैं आगे जा कर के जॉब करूं, अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ अच्छा करूं और अपने हस्बैंड के साथ में कदम से कदम मिलाकर आगे चलूं।
हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो PMKVY एंड स्किल इंडिया की जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाई है, ये बहुत सपोर्टेबल है और आई थिंक सारे यूथ को इसे फॉलो करने चाहिए एंड इसमें कोर्स करने चाहिए।
जनरली पीपल कम हेयर टू अर्न, they never come here for learn. I want to make them understand that first you learn, then you can earn. If I transform one people, I believe they can transform that. One people can transform 100 of them. Then the India will be one of the best economic hub in the world.
Jyoti Mishra is one such girl who was struggling to align her dreams with the limited means of her family. She knew she had a talent with her voice and communication skills, but was unable to find a livelihood opportunity which would support it.
मेरे फादर एक टेलर है, माई मदर इज हाउस ओके, देन तो ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे करनी पड़ी क्योंकि ऐसी सिचुएशन आ गई थी।
With this Kendra, Jyoti found a course which supported her communication skills, and today she is a successful customer care executive. With a spring in her step and dreams in her heart, she is living proof of how youth, talent and the right opportunity can make all the difference in making India's workforce even more productive.
ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आ जाएंगे पर इस रेंज में आपको दोबारा नहीं मिलेंगे। मेरे मम्मी पापा, मेरा नाम लिया जाता है तो बोला जाता है उनकी बेटी है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ मेरा नाम लिया जाए, बोला जाए उनके मम्मी पापा जा रहे हैं, देन मेरे मम्मी पापा तभी मेरे पे प्राउड फील करेंगे, उसी दिन मैं भी खुद पे प्राउड फील करूँगी।
Another flagship initiative under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is the recognition of prior learning program, which has incentivized the youth towards skill training and development. Under this, a person is recognized and given credit for their skills, expertise and knowledge gained over the years through working and learning. The initiative is crucial for moving the unorganized sector into the organized space.
There are more than 1,500 qualification packs in various sectors. We have 40 sector skill councils which looks into the requirement of the training which is for jobs in these 40 sectors.
The government has done a lot of new things in taking initiative so that a student of ITI pass also gets a recognition and respect in the society. And other things have also been done, like if a student's coming for 2-year course, after passing out, he has to only appear in 2 subjects and he will get the 12th standard certificate. That is a great scheme and achievement for our students.
The focus on the Skill India initiative is not just on developing life skills for students, but delving into tradition and reviving the apprenticeship program with the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme. With a win-win model for both the private sector and the students, this ensures the creation of an industry-ready workforce. In fact, corporates are mandated to take 15% of their workforce as apprentices.
Apart from improving the quality of training for short-term skilling, industrial training, we have also improved the apprenticeship portion of the overall scheme, for which the Prime Minister has provided about 10,000 crores, where industry would appoint apprentices for which incentives would be given by Government of India.
Excellent, awesome, skill,
entrepreneurship,
F&B knowledge,
self-independent,
discipline.
It's time for a short break, but there is lots more on the other side. Stay tuned. With the Skill India mission, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has brought India into a fast-track mode on skilling the youth of the country.
इस शताब्दी में हमारी आवश्यकता है ITI। अगर पिछली शताब्दी में IIT ने दुनिया में नाम कमाया, तो इस शताब्दी में हमारी छोटी IIT की इकाइयां ये दुनिया में नाम कमाएं, ये सपना लेकर के हम आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
This is the largest human resource exercise to skill the youth, where 1 million people enter the workforce every month.
We are at the training level trying to put entrepreneurship for all those who undertake or get into skilling activities. For the first time, the Prime Minister heads a skill mission. We have the framework now, we have the processes in place, we have the partnership in place, Industry Connect is there, quality training has begun, we have international partnership, all has been put in place.
More than 1.17 crore youth have been trained under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship programs, and over 450 Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendras are to be set up for providing skill training at the district levels.
Our students, when go in the field or in the market or on the shop floor, they must know how to behave, how to work in a team manner, how to produce maximum efficiency in the system, so that ultimately the industry will benefit. Otherwise, again, they have to retrain them, have to spend a lot of time and money on our students.
Equal forces in creating this skills ecosystem in India are the National Skill Development Council and the industrial training institutes like this one in New Delhi's Pusa Road.
In fact, our vision and mission of our institute is to create, to develop trained manpower as per the requirement of the industries. Continuous upgradation, modernization of our institution in respect of machinery, equipment, and updation of the knowledge of our instructors is the prime motto of our institutions.
There might be demand from private sector for which their expectation is that you need people who are skilled for short term but are ready to get into jobs which they have in their hand, and therefore how could we make them ready? And then on the other hand, you have youths who come from extremely underprivileged background perhaps, or are in a hurry because they need to earn money, and therefore they can't afford a study which is 2 years long. They just look for something which can maybe skill them in 3 months' time, 6 months' time, and then make them ready enough that they could enter the workforce.
With over 13,000 industrial training institutes across India, this is nothing short of a quiet revolution which is transforming the lives of millions of youth in India. In a major thrust to the newly minted Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the government has transferred the governance of nearly 12,000 ITIs under its stewardship from the Labour Ministry. Over 1,000 of these industrial training institutes are also getting upgraded into centers of excellence in specific trades and skills under public-private partnership. So why are these industrial training centers so important? Just ask Sujit Kumar, who came to this Pusa Road ITI as a penniless graduate with a desperate need to get a job.
मैं बिहार से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मेरे फैमिली में मेरे मम्मी पापा और 2 भाई हैं। मैं 10th पास किया हूँ। एक कोर्स है टूल एंड डाई मेकिंग प्रेस टूल्स एंड जिग्स एंड फिक्चर्स, जो 3 साल का टेक्निकल कोर्स है, जिसके अंदर मतलब टूल्स के बारे में, डाई के बारे में बताया जाता है। तो उसके बारे में हमने टेक्निकल कोर्स किया था यहाँ से।
But with a course in this ITI in automobile manufacturing, he is now working in the industry and is an empowered and able youth with a smile on his face and a spring in his step.
ITI करके मेरा सपना पूरा हो गया। मेरा मानना तो ये है कि मतलब ITI करके भी वो ड्रीम को पूरा किया जा सकता है। आज के डेट में देखा जा रहा है कि मतलब बीटेक करने के बावजूद भी लोग रोड पे 10,000 का जॉब नहीं मिल रहा, घूम रहे हैं। मैं एक सिंपल सा ITI किया, उसके बाद में आज मारुति सुजुकी में +2, मुझे बहुत खुशी मिल रही है इस बात से।
ITI का मकसद एक ही है कि हुनर से कैरियर तक। यहाँ आप आ रहे हैं तो अपना कैरियर बनाने के लिए आ रहे हैं इंडस्ट्रीज के हिसाब से, और उसी सिस्टम में आपको ढलना है।
Warming up to these industrial training centers are the corporates, the direct industry, who come to the doors of these institutes and train these young boys and girls according to their standards and protocols.
We approached the industries and requested them to update our knowledge, update our workshops, lab, etc., so that, and share the knowledge also, know-how also, so that we can train our manpower as per your requirement. And luckily nowadays the industry is coming forward to support the industries like anything. We have plenty of our organizations in our institution which are supporting our institution in terms of training of instructors, in terms of on-job shop floor training of our trainees, and also providing latest machinery and equipment.
जब हम ITI में आते हैं हमें बेसिकली नॉलेज मिल जाती है कि किस चीज़ को कैसे ऑपरेट करना है, किस इक्विपमेंट को, किस डिवाइस को कैसे ऑपरेट करना है, कैसे क्या उसे रिपेयर करना है, हमें बेसिकली नॉलेज मिल जाती है। और जिस कंपनी से टाई अप होता है वो कंपनी के बारे में भी पता चल जाता है, उसमें क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट है, वो कैसे रिपेयर करना है, वो सब भी पता चल जाता है हमें। तो वो सब नॉलेज हमें जब मालूम पड़ जाती है तो हम जब कंपनी में जाते हैं तो उसका बेनिफिट हमें मिलता है। ये सब हमें बिकॉज ऑफ ITI की वजह से मिलता है।
पहले 12th पास आउट करा, तो उसके बाद मैंने ITI ज्वाइन करी थी। तो मैंने सोचा कि टाइम वेस्ट ना करके मैं साथ ही साथ मतलब एक ही साथ मेरे पास 2 डिग्रियाँ मिल जाएगी मेरे को। मतलब एक तरफ मैं ITI करके एक सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स हो जाएगा और मतलब 3 साल का मेरी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट होकर एक और ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो जाएगी। उसके बाद ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट होने के बाद मेरे पास 2 डिग्रियाँ हो जाएंगी।
The first basic thing is that we have all the equipments which are currently being practiced in our industry. Like we have a Miracle panel repair system, which is a very latest technology to us, through which we provide training to our students. These kinds of equipments are already being planned or already being available in the current industry. So there is not even a single point gap in tools and equipment what we have and what industry follows at today.
The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has also given special importance to women empowerment through training in these industrial training institutes. With over 400 women-only ITIs and over 1,000 women wings, over 1 lakh women are getting skilled and adding their talent and value in India's fast-growing workforce.
हम लोग अगर स्किल्ड हैं, हम लोग खुद कर रहे हैं और हम 4 लोगों को जॉब दे सकते हैं अपने अंडर में, उनके साथ और उनको सिखा सकते हैं, उनको अगर हम सिखा रहे हैं तो हम भी उनसे मतलब इंस्पायर्ड होते हैं। मेरा मेन ड्रीम है कि मैं एक अच्छी सी कंपनी खोलूँ, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की खोलूँ, और जिसमें मैं अदर एम्प्लॉयज़ रखूँ। मैं अपनी मतलब अपनी कंपनी में अपनी ऑनर होंगी, अपना सब करूँगी, और मैं चाहती हूँ कि बाकी के जो एम्प्लॉयज़ आए मेरे में, बाकी के जो इलिटरेट हो, उन्हें भी टेक्निकल जो एडमिशन्स नहीं ले पाते हमारी ITI पूसा की तरह, उन्हें मैं अपनी कंपनी में रखूँ और उन्हें बताऊँ कि ये सारी चीज़ें कैसे होनी है कि उनका भी फ़ायदा हो।
I found that there's a sense of empowerment that comes to women who go through skill development. The fact that they can earn an extra income because they earned a skill in this process, that really gives them a lot of joy.
With a population of over 1.2 billion people and counting, India's real power lies in her people, and the Skill India initiative is a leap of faith, ambition and enterprise, which recognizes the true potential of India's talented youth.
Without having experience, without having skills, without having knowledge, without having proper commands on the machines, without proper programming, without proper knowledge, proper parts, proper machinery parts knowledge, I can't enter in the industry.
मैं आज भी प्रधानमंत्री जी का बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी कि हम जैसे बेरोजगारों को एक रोजगार का मौका दिया है।
सरकार ने इस तरह की योजना दी है जो दोनों के लिए फ़ायदेमंद है, कंपनी के लिए भी और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स को पहले से स्किल रहता है तो उनको जॉब मिलने में आसानी हो जाती है, और कंपनी को भी ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च नहीं करना पड़ता, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना पड़ता जो नए मतलब होते हैं एम्प्लॉय, उनको सिखाने में।
हुनर है ना मेरे में, तो उस हुनर से मैं खुद को ग्रोथ कर सकती हूँ, मुझे किसी के सहारे की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ज़िंदगी में कभी।